Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. We're currently running a giveaway for those who are liking our videos, so give the video a like if you want to be entered into that giveaway. So we're just taking a look at Bitcoin here, and as we can see, having a bit of a rollover over the past few days, and basically just coming down to retest some of that previous support. Obviously, crypto can be very volatile, and sometimes things like this do happen. You can see here we've had this, basically getting back above our EMAs, looking pretty strong. Looking like we might be coming back up towards the top of the range. But you can see here there's been a sharp rejection of that EMA cross from as far as we can tell. Got this big move up here, followed by a huge move to the downside. Pretty much every single time that the EMA does start to cross, we do get these huge rejections. So people are still feeling in the bearish mood from what we can tell. Obviously, pretty much on the macro time frame here, this isn't doing much. We're currently just in this range, and as we said, until we see the range being broken in either direction with a good amount of volume. As far as we're concerned, we are still chopping sideways. You can see here, from what we can tell, potentially still could be forming something like this W double bottom pattern like this. Still looking like, Bitcoin just chopping it up in and around this range still. Obviously, we have lost that key $20,000 psychological level again. So we could potentially here, if we do lose more support, head back down to the bottom of the range at around 18.5k. So interesting to see what's been happening with Bitcoin here. Obviously, we've got all these bullish signs, the breakout of that bear market resistance, the flip of the EMAs, the RSI looking good here. But obviously, you can never tell with cryptocurrency what's going to happen. And sometimes you do just get these rollovers and this high volatility in the market. You can see Bitcoin here consolidating, having another move up here. And then obviously you can see we came down to retest support and just completely rolled over. Wiped out a bunch of stop losses here as far as I can tell. A lot of people going long here. You can see the volume coming in temporarily, followed by, a little bit of support now being found in and around this previous swing here, which is totally fine. You could still say this is a higher low, and we could still be looking for that target at the top of the range, as we said, at 22.5k for many weeks now. But realistically, Bitcoin, it's chopping sideways, isn't it? And until we see a break of the range in either direction, that's basically what we're going to be talking about. The range continuing going sideways, things still looking fine. Not seeing loads of overly bearish commitment in the market, just going sideways, trying to figure out what's the next move is. Obviously, you can see the volume decreasing in Bitcoin for a long time now, and this big consolidation, everyone's bored, etc. But we do think sooner rather than later, in our opinion, that Bitcoin is going to head up and test the top of this range. From what we can tell, we're still heading up off this low like this, aren't we? And most likely we are going to see that range high around 22.5k tested pretty soon, in our opinion. Obviously, if we do roll over, we'll probably be coming back down, as we said, to at least retest that previous resistance as support, down at around that 18.7k area, and the range low at 18.5k. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.